24-25. Our theme name is Eliminate Sales Opportunity Loss by Export Part Quality Improvement. We've been having 7 business units. They are 3 manufacturing factories in India, Daman, River and Sri City. You are from Daman Unit 5. There are 3 sections: part section, assembly section, quality and store. You are from the part section. This is our part section. Roles and responsibility: timely lot clearance,
part improvement,
new OSP supplier development,
human validation.
WIT team Avinya, Monosan and Gunjansan is our advisor, Jason and Ashisan is our mentors, Mithalsan is the guardian, Hirensan is the leader. This is the CFT team from MNT Design and Production. Before start this project, our average skill level is 3.72. We did the 11 number of meeting with CFT to complete this project. We did the theme selection meeting with the help of our daily assembly issues summary, and we select the 4th theme. Let's see the status of each theme.
Sir, why we not select this OSP complaint on compression molding section?
Hirensan, there is no complaint, so that's why this theme is not selected.
Why we not select reduce human validation time?
Because of PD collection and team already done this task, so that's why this theme is not selected.
Sir, why we not select reduce inspection time of new product?
Hirensan, target achieved, hence this theme is not selected.
Sir, why we select element sales opportunity loss by export part quality improvement?
Let's understand. We have 3 major customers. First is the internal customer, Daman Unit 5. We supply them urea part, plastic part and metal part. And other 2 are the external customers, Sri City factory and another factory. We also supply them the metal part and urea parts. This is our internal customer, voice of internal customer. As we daily go there for shop floor visit and collect the feedback. This is our internal customer complaint status. Daman is our satisfied customer as there is no major complaint. Non-modular Romar 1 is also a satisfied customer, but BS section is a not satisfied customer as we receive the frequently complaint from this section, and there is no major concern from Haridwar and Sri City factories. As shown in the graph, we receive the frequently complaint of reported part like cover loose fitment, OSP sink mark issue and breastplate breakage. BS is our premium segment. We export our part in 30 countries. As shown in the graph, BS one-gang multi-socket worth order of 16.49 million INR is on hold. It's the sales opportunity loss. So that's why we select eliminate sales opportunity loss by export part quality improvement. Let's understand the management goal. Contribution to organization profitability by happy customer, safe product, elegant good quality product. Sustain the brand image in the market. As per our founder philosophy, company vision must be driven by aspiration of its customer. For target setting, we collect the past 6 months euros data as well as we collect the sales order data from the MCD team. And this is our defect Pareto, BS section, quantity wise, and top defect is cover loose fitment, breastplate breakage, sink mark issue. These both are the top contributor part, but these both are co-part of each other. As shown in the graph, this is the Q loss of top contributor defective part and average is 10147. We set our 2 targets. Target 1 is fulfill the error order quantity by 100% was worth 16.49 million INR, and second target is reduce the Q loss by 90% from 10147 to 1014.
Top contributor defect, cover loose fitment, breastplate breakage and sink mark issue.
Hirensan, cover loose fitment is affected for our error order consignment. So that's why first we work on this.
This is our smart activity plan based on PDCA cycle. Suggestion: why this theme is important?
Because of PS 50K error quantity consignment. If we not work on this thing, then our error quantity order will be not fulfilled, and it is a big basket sales opportunity loss of 33.54 million INR. So that's why this thing is very important to us. To analyze the actual fact, we use the 3J concept: Gemba, Genbetsu and Genjutsu. First, we work on the cover loose fitment issue.
Suggestion: what is cover loose fitment?
Hirensan, when we fix the injection molded cover part on compression molded breastplate, that time cover is fixed loose as shown in the video.
What is impact of loose fitment?
Sales opportunity loss, increase the Q loss, export customer dissatisfaction, productivity loss and impact on our brand image.
To conclude the cover loose fitment issue, we did brainstorming with CFT. Based on brainstorming, we found 3 probable causes with help of Ishikawa. Based on cost effect matrix, we select 3 probable causes. Let's start cost validation. Our first factor is dimension variation. Let's study it.
For dimension variation, we did the dimension analysis of both part, base plate and cover plate. As per the PD drawing, all critical dimension reported OK. So that's why this factor is not validated.
Our second factor is process parameter variation. Let's study it.
For process parameter, we did gamma to the injection molding machine, check the key process of parameter cycle time, cooling time, temperature, holding pressure, plot between affinity mapping, and there is no major variation observed. So that's why this factor is also not violated.
Our third factor is withdrawal force. Let's validate. Understand what is withdrawal force?
Hirenson, how much force is required to remove the cover plate from the base plate as per the IS standard 3854-1997? Ideal withdrawal force should be between the 20 Newton to 120 Newton. Then we collect the QTS from our PD and perform the withdrawal force test on the cover. As shown in the picture, reported withdrawal force is very less, that is a 19 Newton. As required standard requirement is 20 Newton to 120 Newton. So that's why this factor is also validated.
Our one factor are validated out of 3. Let's start countermeasure. Countermeasure 1, less withdrawal force. We did meeting with CFD team and did by analysis. Sagar sir, why withdrawal force less?
Because of cover loose fitment issue.
Why cover loose fitment?
Because of cover loose fix on the base plate.
Why cover loose fix?
Because of cover lock catch. Then we take the expert advice from the Gunjan sir and they guide us to check the non-critical dimension related to locking. Then we cut our base plate, cover plate and send for the MNTQA for the dimension analysis. As shown in the video, A2 cavity dimension reported upper side. And we get the conclusion, random lock catching during the running production. Then we discuss with the MNT team and send mode for the inspection. While inspection, they detect that the second lifter pin lock with damage as shown in the picture. Then Abhijit sir told us, develop the new lifter requires the 15 days because it's a time taken activity.
Sagar sir, how to complete 15K quantity Iraq order? This is big such opportunity loss.
Hiren sir, need to discuss. After discussion between the Gunjan sir and Subra sir, then we implement our quick wins. Before, lifter second tip damage as shown in the picture. After that, we polish that existing lifter pin, install in the mold and run the mold in manual way instead of the automation and produce some parts to run the assembly line. Parallelly, we receive the new lifter. Then we discuss with Hindu sir and install the lifter in the mold and did the corrective action. After that, we take the trial. We did the mold trial and mold trial is found okay. There is no loose cover fitment observed. Then we check the dimension and all dimension reported okay. Then we send it for the assembly trial and withdrawal force test. As shown in the picture before, cover is the loose fitment. After that, fitment is found satisfactory. After then we perform the withdrawal test, withdrawal force test on the and reported withdrawal force is 84 Newton. As before it was the 19 Newton. And we get the satisfied customer feedback. As before, cover loose fitment rejection ratio is the 50%. After implement the countermeasure, rejection will be by 100%, that is 0%. Hiren sir, our first target we achieved through the Iraq consignment and we saved the sales opportunity loss of 35.34 million INR and we received the appreciation from our HODs. Hiren sir, our first target is completed.
Sagar sir, good job.
Then our first target is completed. We successfully sent the Iraq order consignment worth 16.49 million INR order. And our second target, as well as we achieved to reduce the Q loss by 50% after implement the countermeasure on loose cover fitment from 10147 to 5073. Let's work on our second defect, base plate breakage issue. We received the frequently complaint about the base plate breakage as shown in the picture. Then we did the visit assembly line of BS part and did the did the building for to conclude this issue.
To conclude breakage issue, we did brainstorming with CFT. Based on brainstorming, we found 3 probable causes with help of relation diagram. Let's start cause validation. Our first factor is part assembly issue. Let's validate.
We did gamma visit to assembly line, BS section assembly line, check the raw material, verify the assembly jig and verify the assembly process. It's found okay, there is no handling issue and grip breakage we observe. So that's why this factor is not validated.
Our second factor is part packaging. Let's validate.
For part packaging, we visit to compression molding section, check the molding process of the breakage part, and then we check the 100% inspection state. But we observe that loose and dump type packaging with large quantity may cause further rebreakage. So that's why this factor is validated.
Our third factor is part design. Let's validate.
For part design issue, we did the dimension analysis of both mold A and B mold, and as per the PD drawing, all reported dimension is found satisfactory. Then we check the visual inspection of the rig. As shown in the picture, we receive the breakage issue on these two locations. And as shown in the picture, main lift thickness is 2 mm and supporting lift thickness is 1.5 mm. Then get the conclusion, maybe less lift thickness without support cause for the breakage. So that's why this factor is validated.
Our two factor is validated out of 3. Let's start countermeasure. Countermeasure 1, loose dump packaging with large quantity. Let's start.
We did the brainstorming session with Super Sun and tested the new idea. First we take trial with layer type packaging. We send a 500 piece to assembly section and take the trial and get the feedback. We observe the 4 nose breakage, so that's why our first proposal is not satisfactory. After that, we take trial in pocket type bin. We send 150 nose in pocket type bin for assembly section and witness the trial. We receive the 2 nose breakage, but we get the benefit rejection reduced but not eliminated.
Our second countermeasure, loose lift thickness. Let's start.
For less lift thickness, we did brainstorming with Tata Sun and Soumya Sun. Soumya Sun sent proposal to Jitesh Sun and Jitesh Sun checked the feasibility and did the changes in the drawing. As per this activity, through the idiom process, we did the modification in the mold and mold is ready for the trial. As shown in the picture before, both breakage lift thickness was 1.50 mm. After modification in the mold, lift thickness is increased by 1 mm. Now it's at 2.50. After that, we take trial in compression molding of modified mold and we found the trial satisfactory. And also we received the feedback, good feedback from the assembly section after the fitment issue. Let's check the effectiveness. We reduced our defect by 32% from 5073 to 3247 after increase the lift thickness in the mold. Let's work on our third defect, our sink mark issue.
Rasan, what is sink mark?
Niranjan, shallow depression or dimple appearing on the surface called a sink mark.
What is impact of sink mark?
Unhappy customer, OSP process loss, delivery failure. Niranjan, we have a 6 type of color coding of OSP process and we always observe that after color coding, we detect the sink mark issue on the cover plate and it is a very serious issue because of after OSP process our part QLOS is increasing. Then we discuss with the CFT team and Niranjan, as per the meeting MOM, we have to check each part 100% before OSP process.
Oh, Sadasan, it is difficult 100% checking.
Then Niranjan, can we purchase the color spray cabinet for before OSP check?
We have no budget.
Then Niranjan, I have one idea. Can we start the manual spray checking on the cover plate before send to OSP?
This safety issue.
Oh no, let's discuss. Then we internal discussion with the team and we get the one idea. Can we make the in-house color spray cabinet for OSP? Then we send our proposal to maintenance team and they develop the color spray cabinet for OSP part. And we take the trial. We put the cover plate in the Jeep and apply the color spray as shown in the video. After that, we did the visual inspection of the cover plate. There is a no sink mark issue we observed. Even sir, it's a closed cabinet, so that's why there is a no safety issue and our customer is also happy. Thanks to maintenance team for their innovative color spray cabinet they developed for us very short time. Our all 3 defect countermeasures are completed. Let's see the result and effectiveness. We reduce our QLOS by 90% from 101472 to 1014.
Countermeasure summary and standardization. Loose cover fitment.
Before, lifter pin secondary will damage. After that, install the new lifter and revise the preventive maintenance plan.
Base plate drip package.
Before, both plates thickness is 1.50 mm. Increase the lift thickness from 1.5 to 2.5. Revise the drawing, revise the inspection standard, and take non-critical dimension to critical dimension. Before, loose and dump type packaging. After modification, we start the layer type packaging with 500 quantity and made SOP for sale.
Sink mark issue.
There is a no setup for OSP part inspection. Develop the in-house color check cabinet for the OSP part check and standardize. Our first target we achieved successfully through the sent ERA order on time worth 16.49 billion INR and as well as we reduced our QLOS by 90% from 101472 to 1014. Tangible benefit. ERA orders cost saving 16.49 billion INR, QLOS saved by 0.19 million. Save the purchase cost of 0.019 million for color spray cabinet and gold basket loss, sales opportunity loss saved by 35.34 million INR. After that, we did the financial verification and it's found okay. This is all our tangible benefit and intangible benefit. This is our average skill level. Before start this project, it's a increase. Total 9 number of institutes we are used to complete this project. This is our future activity plan. We will work for continuing improvement when and where requirement. Thanks to CFT team for their support and never give up. Take great things, take time. Thank you.